guys, welcome to my kitchen. Coach Leah, Money Wise Mom. I help busy adults just like you take control of their finances because the struggle's real. So since you're in my kitchen with me, let's get super practical. This is what I love, is making this whole financial freedom journey and taking control of your finances feel a little bit less scary. Today, we are talking about coffee. You've heard me say it before. We spend so much money on the convenience runs. $5 a day when you could save so much money just making it yourself at home. How do we do it at our house? Super simple. We've got a big old French press. These things are amazing. And we've got this handy dandy little teapot here. Fill that bad boy up to there. In our house, once I got married, we needed to upgrade from this little guy to this guy. And this gives my husband and I both probably, I don't know what size it is, don't ask me, but it's bigger. This one's smaller. Pick a size, any size. We each get our fill of coffee in this size, but I want to show you how easy this is. On average, first of all, pretty much $5 will get you a coffee nowadays. So $5 a day, 5 days a week, not even counting weekends, that's $25 a week, not counting the extra weeks in the year. Easy. That's $1,200 a year. $100 a month, if you're just counting 4 weeks in a month, $25 each, times 12 months, $1,200 on coffee. If you buy it in bulk, doesn't have to be Costco, but 22 bucks, something around there. This lasts us about a month every day. We can have coffee every day and it lasts us about a month. So on top of that, if you add weekends to your daily coffee run, just one person, that's like $1,800 a year. This feeds both, or fuels both of us. We don't eat the grinds, but this fuels two people. The cost of going out for a $5 coffee is pretty much one person, so you double that. So say $2,400 a year if you're going just on weekdays, or if you're going every single day, two people, $5 a day, it's like $3,600 a year. If you go, and I just did the math, around $22, let's just ballpark that, times 12 months, it's $264 compared to $1,200 to $2,400 up to $1,800 or $3,600. That's how fast this adds up. It's so easy. And I want to get you excited about a French press, because if you've never used one before, they're so easy. It looks fancy and complicated, but it's so easy. You take the top off, put a few scoops of coffee in here, just calculate the size. It tells you on the back, on the side here, there's like little instructions on how much to use based on how much water you have. So in this guy, we do 5 coffee scoops. This one, probably about 3.5. That's it. Pour the scoops in there. Pour the hot water in there. Put this on top. Here's the secret. Don't push that down. Don't push that thing down until the coffee brews. The coffee does all the fun stuff coffee does in the hot water. When it's all mixed in, 5 minutes down the road, while you're going to do your morning routine, you push this down. That's the filter. It pushes all the grinds down to the bottom. What comes up through the filter is just the coffee water, AKA your fresh cup of joe. And you've got a hot little thing of coffee. You can make it in a coffee pot. You can do it however you want too. But we like this because it kind of has a nice taste to us compared to a regular coffee pot. It doesn't get that like bitterness as much. So it's so easy. And the cool thing is, if you buy it whole bean, which this is, does it say it? Yeah, whole bean right up there. It's even cheaper. Because why? Because you're doing the work yourself. But here's the fun thing. I didn't realize this until this past year. Especially if you shop at Costco, they have the grinder on the way out the door. So you can buy it whole bean, cheaper than the pre-ground, and you can grind it before you even get to your car. You just have to remember to grind it. I forget to do that all the time. So that's practical, right? But think about that. $1,800, let's just say the minimum number that we just calculated, $1,200 for one person a day to get coffee 5 days a week, not counting weekends, not counting extra days of the extra weeks in the month. If you made it at home, it'll cost you about $260. The difference between those two numbers, $1,200 and $260, is, sorry, I'm saying $1,260, is about $1,000. That's a lot really fast. You can do the same math. If this lasts you even longer, it makes it an even bigger bargain. So it goes to show how cheaply you can make coffee. A little extra work, a little extra time, but not that much. Okay? So try it. See if you, tell me if you like French press. Are you a French press fan? Are you, oh, hang on, let me get you another one that we have. A fancy one here. We've got one of these bad boys ready to go. And we're a little bit of a coffee snob house. Not really. I don't take this. This is why they're put away. These are really cool too, but it takes a little bit longer. Make it fun. Make it a gourmet coffee experience at home and see what you guys come up with. I don't know what this is called. It's a drip coffee, but it looks cool. Makes me feel like we're fancy, but usually I don't have the time to do that during the day on a work day. There you have it, guys. Drop it in the comments. What do you like? How do you like your coffee? Or do you not drink coffee? That's okay too. Maybe you're a mushroom fan. I've tried to get used to this taste. I'm still trying. I don't get paid to put these up. This just happens to be what we have because we tried it out. It kind of feels like you're drinking coffee. It doesn't taste like coffee. It does taste like mushrooms, but it gives you the feel. So it doesn't matter what it is. If you're spending money for the convenience out on the road, try making it at home. Brag about it. Brag about your savings. Okay, that's it for now. Thanks for joining me in my kitchen. Bye for now. Oh, let me say bye.